Miscarriage is the commonest complication of pregnancy, and if we see statistically, out of 100, 15 to 20% patients will undergo miscarriage. So basically it is one of our very common symptoms. Patient comes to us in early pregnancy with bleeding PV, and it may have pain or may not be. She may not be having pain. And nowadays, because we have so many good ultrasound machines, we can diagnose what type of miscarriage it is. That means miscarriage may be just a threatened miscarriage where the pregnancy is continuing, the baby is live, or it can be that the patient has aborted already, so the baby is not living. To distinguish between these two, we need to do a ultrasound, and the best amenity is a transvaginal ultrasound. People generally have a lot of inhibition about a vaginal ultrasound, but it is very safe because we don't touch the uterus. It's just to identify whether the pregnancy is going to continue or not. And if it's a threatened miscarriage, that means the baby is live, we would give some hormone support and continue the pregnancy. And if the baby is not live, then we generally complete it by doing a procedure called TNC. You would like to know why miscarriage happens. People keep asking us questions. The reason that people say is that the miscarriage risk is increasing. You can say so because the age at which the women today is conceiving is late. So one of the commonest problem cause of miscarriage is elderly women, patient with fibroid. Commonest cause of miscarriage is actually an abnormal fetus. If there is some chromosomal abnormality or if there is any genetic abnormality, the nature will generally evacuate the pregnancy and the bleeding will start. Patient keeps asking us a question, why the abortion occur? Am I going to be pregnant again and again? Whether we'll have the same problem in the next pregnancy or not. Generally, it doesn't happen in the next pregnancy. So we can generally tell the patient that be sure that you'll be pregnant again next time normal. We give some folic acid supplement, send her home after the cleaning procedure. And if there is any other medical problems, she need to be treated, then we treat her, we investigate her, we do her thyroid profile, we do lot of investigations. And if we find a cause, then we treat it. Otherwise, we know that it was an abnormal fetus and folic acid supplement is enough. The difficult problem is the women who have repeated miscarriage. They are the one, they are pain to us because it can be immunological, that the genes of the husband and the wife are not compatible, and they are the one, they keep having miscarriages again and again. For them, we have to treat them with various drugs, immunosuppressants, hormones, and a lot of other things. And in spite of all that, some women will keep having miscarriage because the fetus is not accepted by the mother's immune system. So this is the problem. Otherwise, rest of the diseases, like if you have a problem in the uterus, it can be cured. If you have cyst, if you have endometriosis, it can be treated, and then the patient can conceive again. But if the uterus is deformed, they keep having not only abortions, they can even have early preterm labor. So for them, you need a very good intensive care unit for the fetus, which we in our hospital we have, so that a baby from 28 weeks onward can be taken care of and we can send those babies home normally.